Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to show you DevOpsBot, a Slack bot that automates GitHub tasks, triggers Jenkins jobs, and even integrates with ChatGPT for smart DevOps assistance. If you've ever wanted to manage your GitHub branches, tags, PRs, or Jenkins builds directly from Slack, this video is for you. In most DevOps workflows, engineers constantly switch between Slack, GitHub, Jenkins, and email. This creates context switching and slows down productivity. What if we could bring all these actions into one place, Slack? That's where DevOpsBot comes in. The bot acts as a bridge between Slack, GitHub, Jenkins, and email notifications. Slack sends commands, ngrok forwards them, Python bot processes them. The bot connects to GitHub, Jenkins, or email depending on the command, and results are sent back into Slack instantly. To get started, you'll need Python 3.13 plus comma, a Slack workspace with app permissions, GitHub repository with personal access token, Jenkins instance with API token, and ngrok for tunneling. We create a Python virtual environment and install dependencies like Slack_Bolt, PyGithub, requests, and Python.env. Let's try some GitHub commands. First, create a new branch with /git branch feature test main. The bot replies with confirmations and clickable links. No need to open GitHub manually. Everything happens right inside Slack. Now let's trigger a Jenkins job. The bot hits Jenkins API, triggers the pipeline, and sends back the build URL. Developers don't even have to log into Jenkins for routine tasks. And here's the coolest part: ChatGPT integration. I can ask the bot technical questions and get instant explanations. This turns DevOpsBot into both an automation tool and a knowledge assistant. What's next for DevOpsBot? Role-based access for commands, deploying on Kubernetes or AWS, auto PR approval and merge, integration with Prometheus and Grafana for incident alerts, and a centralized dashboard. The possibilities are endless. The bot also pushes notifications into Slack and can draft email alerts for critical events. That's it for today's demo of DevOpsBot, Slack, GitHub, and Jenkins automation. If you found this useful, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your DevOps teammates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.